How does the delicious, high protein, keto chocolate dessert recipe sound? Well, all you need is a microwave, a mug, and some ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. This unbelievable, protein-packed keto chocolate mug cake tastes perfect, will probably be your new favorite keto treat, and spoiler alert, cooks in 60 seconds. I'm super excited to share this recipe with you, so let's just get into it. So the first thing you need for any mug cake recipe is a mug. Now you want to add your dry ingredients, which will be a 1/4 cup of chocolate whey protein. I use the diamondized cocoa pebbles protein powder. There'll be a link in the description if you're interested in this. Then add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar substitute, I use Swerve, and a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt. Mix your dry ingredients with a fork. Now add your wet ingredients, which will be 1/4 cup milk of your choice. I used unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter, and 1 teaspoon of melted coconut oil. Mix all your ingredients together with a fork until combined and smooth. Now is where the magic happens. Put your mug in the microwave for 30 seconds. Wait 5 seconds, remove it. Top with sugar-free chocolate chips. I used the Lily's, there'll be a link in the description. And then microwave it for another 30 seconds. And that's your 60-second mug cake. Let it cool off for a minute, top it to your liking, serve, and enjoy this unbelievable 60-second keto chocolate mug cake. And you can thank me later. This mug cake is the perfect keto treat. Flourless, chocolatey, easy to prepare, and cooks in 60 seconds. And there are tons of ways to top this. Keto ice cream, powdered sugar substitute, some fresh berries, whipped cream, even some sugar-free caramel. Let's give it a try. Cheers. Oh, it seriously tastes like a mix between a chocolate cake and a molten lava cake. 2 of the best chocolate desserts combined in a super easy 60-second mug cake. You honestly can't beat it. It's so good, there's really no reason not to try it for yourself. It takes 5 minutes to prepare, cooks in your microwave in 60 seconds. Trust me, you have nothing to lose. I'm telling you, this will be your new favorite keto treat. And the macros for the entire mug, 7.3 grams of carbs, 1.5 grams of sugar, and 33 grams of protein. It's pretty amazing to be able to enjoy something this delicious while still following a diet. If you know someone who would love this protein-packed, 60-second keto chocolate mug cake recipe, please share the video. And thank you for being here and watching. My goal is to share my best keto recipes, and if just one person tries and enjoys it, I feel it's mission accomplished. And of course, until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out. If you're looking for another super easy keto chocolate dessert recipe, check out this double chocolate cookie video here. And for all my high protein recipes, check out this playlist. And for future content, please subscribe.